My flow ain't never been watered down. Ain't no need for me to start now. I'm making music that start provoking. They keep on telling me to calm down. Why I gotta be so controversial? They don't like when I rock the boat. My verses never been sugar coated. They get offended by what I wrote. Get offended by what I spoke. You don't like it, okay then. I ain't losing no sleep over this. I ain't come here to make friends. I'm sold out, all in. I just follow my calling. I see the traps they setting for me like I'm dumb enough to go fall in. Come on, man, let's keep it real. Y'all don't think that I noticed that? I know the power this music has. I can never say that it's only rap. No opinions, boy, only facts. That's the way that I operate. Got me feeling like Tyler J.
Good morning, YouTubers. It's your boy, Coach Doug. Day 4 of the camping fishing trip for the Lazy Fisherman Club, guys. We got some lazy fishermen out there. Juan, Justin, Jody, Jody's son. Juan's over there in the raft. I'm supposed to go out there with them, but I'm not ready yet. Maybe another half hour. Drinking coffee right now with the missus, just enjoying the shore. Brian's about to get out there with his son. We're going to get some fishing in today, guys. Some real fishing. No shore fishing. So I get some of those jumbos. They're supposed to start stocking today or tomorrow, too, so. The big jumbos. But welcome to day 4, guys. Yes, that's how it's done. One said he's got a big one. This is day 4, first fish caught all day. Finally, he's got it on the fly rod. It's on the fly rod. Yep, he's got to wear them out. He's wearing them out. He says he's a big guy. There you go, there you go. Come on, come on. Got him. Yo, that's a big, big one. Yeah. There it is, there it is, there it is. Yeah, son. All right, guys, I got my first one. Oh, got one. Got a good one, too. Oh, ooh, there's a big one. There you go, baby. Come on, baby. Here and get them. Gonna have to come down here to get them. Oh, I gotta go down and get them, guys. Oh, he's a monster. He's a monster. Oh, no wonder he's caught right here. Got him. Got him. Got him, coach. Oh, look at this big guy. Oh. Oh. Yeah, son. Oh. Look at him. Bam. Bam. Look at him. Yeah, son, that's how it's done. Oh, yes. Hit big end. Look at that big end, baby. Wait till the boys get here and get some pictures. Let's see here. Yeah, he choked it. Wasn't going nowhere. I'm going to get it measured on him. I'll be right back. Look at that, guys. Got my first jumbo. Bam, 20. I already got a nibble. I just tossed it back out. This is the orange power bait. I caught the big one on. I had to retie my lines and everything because I had to cut it because it wouldn't come out of his mouth. He's out there. He's out there. All right, I think I got another one. Let's see here. Oh, got one. There we go. Number 2 of the day, guys. Woo. Yeah, son. This is how it's done. Day 4, number 2. Well, good evening, YouTubers. It's your boy, Coach Doug. Let me get a little closer. Now you can see me. Well, day 4 is coming to close. We just ate dinner. Just made fish tacos. Yeah, that trout that I caught today. 20 inches, baby. Yummy.
That was good.
It was good. The guys had a great time on the water today. Jody came out with his son and on the kayaks and had some fun out here, which is Juan's co-worker.
It was fun seeing them.
And it was fun seeing them, and I met him yesterday when he brought the cups over. Tomorrow, it's going to be day 5? Yeah, today's day 4. So day 5 tomorrow, we're going to head down to the dam. I got my little short 2.5 foot ice pole. I'm going to break in tomorrow. I'm going to try to catch a jumbo trout on that dang thing.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah. You gonna have your fly pole out tomorrow?
Oh yeah. I got a nice one today. In the sun.
Yeah. You earlier, if you saw in the video, he caught a nice one, another big one. So he leads with 2 big ones, and I only got 1. Justine, what about him?
Still trying, bro.
He gonna get the cup for the world's smallest
He
trout.
got hopes and dreams, bro.
Hopes and dreams. All right, guys. So we'll see you in the morning. Yeah, son. That's how it's done. Well, good morning, YouTubers. Day 5 of camping fishing. Sylvia Lake. It's bright, nice and bright and squirrely this morning. Early bird got the worm. Still waiting for his jumbo though. Still waiting. Juan's still leading the pack with 2 big jumbos. Something's going off right there. So yesterday we've been fishing. All the last few days we've been fishing on the in the middle of the channel there, but I moved my lines in a little bit closer, and that's how I bagged that little big guy. I said a little big guy. That big guy. Made trout tacos, you know. So today we're gonna head down to the dam. I'm gonna fish off the pier down there and the rocks and see if I can give me a jumbo today. So hopefully next time you see me, guys, yeah, son, this is how it's done. Got the small one.
It's a fish, dude. Yeah.
Oh, look at that marlin. Look at that marlin.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, you just wasted my film. What's going on, YouTubers? All right, I'm in Juan's raft right now. We are going to troll up to the dam. Oh, that's one that jumped?
Yeah. He's taking over the boat.
And I got a rainbow trout Rapala on. And what do you have on?
Yes, worm.
Oh, he's got a worm in the hook.
Yeah, that's it.
He's doing the old school. So hopefully next time you see me, we're catching a fish.
Fish on.
Oh, he's already got a fish on.
Fish on.
Never mind. We already got a fish on. There you go. Already got a fish on. That worm is unstoppable, man.
That worm, man.
Undefeated.
Oh, gone.
Oh,
Oh, it came to say
right there.
hi.
Yeah, right there.
It said bye to us.
Yeah. Got my first one. We've crossed underneath the bridge to the other side where the dam is.
Double.
Oh, we got a double.
Double.
We got a double. Gotta keep on pushing this out because of that guy's pole.
Okay.
And this also keeps it tight too. Yeah, once we get past him. Oh, is he trying to come up over to you? Oh, I got him. Yep. There he is, guys. Got him. There it is, guys. Got him on the crawdad, right in the hooked in the mouth.
In the boat?
Oh yeah, I'm in the boat. Oh, back in the water. Yeah, son, this is how it's done. And he's got one. There it is.
Woo-hoo!
Doubles.
Baby.
Doubles. Outdoors in PNW and PNW Trout
Oh,
Slayer.
look, it has like little lice.
Oh yeah.
See that?
Cut bows.
There you go.
Got another one. Oh, we're turning. Got another one, guys. Oh yeah. Woo. Little cutty. A little cut.
Doubles again. We doubled up again.
Look at that. We got a double up cutties. Okay. Yeah, son. Alright, guys. I'm bouncing, baby. Yep, got him. Got him, baby. Nah. All right. Oh, I hope I don't fall again. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to choke the crap out of them, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Alright, I'm going to turn this back. Got them off the hook. Nice size. I'm going to go ahead and put them back. Well, good morning, YouTubers. It's your boy, Coach Doug. And it's the last day of camping, guys. We are packing up right now. As we speak, we are breaking down camp. Whew. Yeah, I'm ready to go home. My back is done. That's the facts of getting old, right? Well, we had a great week of fishing and camping, guys. Had a good time. Staying up late, watching the fire, getting up, fishing. I'm leaving here with a jumbo. I thought I was not going to catch one this time because they were supposed to stock, but they haven't even stocked yet. My buddy ain't called me, so whatever. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My boy Juan, our third annual. We'll see him next year. Well, I'm going to see him before next year. But
Oh yeah, for sure. Our
But-
third annual camping trip.
we'll be fourth next year. So hopefully more of you guys would join us. And the ones who had to cancel, we'll get you out here eventually.
Next year for sure, you guys
Yep.
will be coming out here.
So till then, yeah, son. This
That's
how
it,
it's done.
son. Hey!